GuanoBoost, greetings everybody. My name is Mokgaetji and I'm back with another video on how to use GuanoBoost. I have all my equipment here. So I have my watering can, I have the smallest can for indoor plants. So I have my 1 liter GuanoBoost bottle. This is my watering can. So I'm just gonna scoop in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is for my indoor plants, so you just have to make sure that you don't have a lot of your GuanoBoost because the pots are smaller. So I'm going to use it in my potted plants. So you just going to water in your potted plants. They're getting enough GuanoBoost.